I am Manoj Kumar, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. I will take the lecture of Introduction to Measurement, the subject of Fundamental of Mechanical Engineering. Introduction of concept of measurement. The concept of measurement, the science of measurement is known as metallurgy. The measurement is done to verify the whether the component which has been manufactured is as per the requirement or not. The measurement will be of the mainly length, mass, time, angle, temperature, pressure, squareness, roundness, roughness, parallelism, etc. For the measuring and the quantity, there must be the sum unit to measure and express. In this slide, I will discuss about the how to measure the primary measurement, secondary measurement, tertiary measurement. The primary measurement, the value of physical quantity is found by comparing it directly with the reference standard. In this measurement, we can take first one is unknown quantity. This one is my object, and we have used the tools like scale, just like weighing machines. If scale will put the contact of unknown quantity, yeah, we can say that unknown measurement value. The primary measurement found the comparing is directly with the reference without any conversion. This is known as primary measurement. The secondary measurement, the physical value converted into some other signal, yeah, effect, and then the second signal, yeah, effect is measured directly. For example, like thermometer and bellows tube, yeah, we can say the spring, yeah, balloon. The thermometer, yeah, bellows tube is the best example of secondary measurement. In this measurement will be two conversion between unknown quantity and tools. And next one is tertiary measurement. The tertiary measurement, the main first signal is transformed into the second, and the second signal is transformed into third signal. For example, we can say the Warden tube, yeah, we can say the maximum tools, equipments like weighing machine, force measurement device, pressure measurement device, flow rate measurement device, different type of tubes, mainly part of the tertiary measurement. In this slide, we'll discuss about the method of measurement. Basically, method of measurement is the two type of measurement. First one is direct measurement, and second one is indirect measurement. The direct measurement, when the value of the physical quantity is determined by comparing is directly with reference standard like length, temperature, pressure, velocity, flow rate. These are the direct measurement. Yeah, we can say that the direct measurement, if we will put the tools, yeah, like non-quantity tools to insert with unknown quantities. It is also called as direct measurement is also called the primary measurement. Just like, for example, the comparing the colors to the identify darker one, matching the length, comparing the variable temperatures by the touching, etc. In the indirect measurement, when the value of the physical quantity is determined by the indirect comparison with the secondary standard through the calibration, the measurement value is converted into a proportional secondary signal, or if needed, into a tertiary signal, and then this last signal is measured to get the desired value of the measurement. According to it may be called as secondary or tertiary measurement. This one is the references